That is one tasty looking bacon, egg, and cheese. It's gonna be a great day of eating and chilling here in this summer backyard oasis. We're gonna be firing up the Solo Steelfire 30 griddle. We're gonna use this griddle to its maximum capability to have ourselves some delicious bacon, egg, and cheeses. So let's start by cracking our eggs here. Get these eggs all good to go here. All right. We're looking good, nice and yolky. Now let's get the bacon going. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Love the smell of bacon in the morning. Oh, that sizzle is beautiful. Now we cut this bacon in half, just so it's perfect for bacon, egg, and cheese. Ooh, look at that grease start to go. We got this side nice and hot here, so we can cook perfectly. Gotta give ourselves a little flip action. Ooh, man, we are looking good. It smells amazing. Holy cow. Nothing like that bacon smell, man. That wakes you right up. That and a good cup of coffee. What we're gonna do here, since we have a little bit of bacon grease, we're gonna cook our eggs in that grease over here. We're gonna move our bacon over. Now that we're going nice and solid here, we'll keep sizzling this over here on lower heat. So that's one of the great things about this. We can cook at lower heat here. The bacon's looking good. We have our grease. Time to scramble these eggs. All right, we're gonna have a nice scramble over here. It's gonna cook real fast. Gonna turn the heat down just a little bit here. Little bacon. Bacon's looking good. Nice and crispy, nice and greasy. Our eggs are looking good. Look at that. Look how quickly that cooked. All that delicious bacon grease. Look at that. These sandwiches are going to be incredible. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry too. Man, we're having some people over later today, cooking out all day, hanging out by the pool. All right, man, these eggs are looking good. We are getting there. This sando is going to be absolutely delightful. With the racetrack burners, we have even cooking happening, so there's no hot spots. Our heat is consistent on each side. Like I said, we have nice low heat happening for bacon. Oh man, this bacon is looking so good. We're looking nice and crispy. We have small strips for whenever we get things going here. Our eggs are looking good. I think we're almost ready to make these sandos. All right, cool. Looking good, looking good. Ooh. All right, the eggs are looking good. Throw that there. Little cheese. Bacon on the top here. This is gonna be one tasty sando. All right, we got one. We're gonna get that nice and melty in there. We're gonna actually throw it back on the griddle for a little bit. Get that cheese melted here. Let's make our second sando here. Got a lot of egg here. We're gonna throw the bacon on here next. Ooh, these are looking good. Yeah, there we go. All right. That is one tasty looking bacon, egg, and cheese. We're gonna throw this back on here too. Get that cheese nice and melted. We are gonna have ourselves some delicious bacon, egg, and cheeses to start the day here. Oh man, these are looking delicious. Right. Oh, look at it. It's delicious bacon, egg, and cheese. I absolutely love how easy it is to cook with the Solo Steelfire 30 griddle. And I love how easy it is to clean up afterwards. And I love how simple it is to put all these ingredients together on the same hot griddle surface. This thing is gonna be absolutely primo. Top shelf. Let's give it a taste. Oh man. This is a great breakfast sandwich to start the day. I love this already. We have chef level precision in making the perfect breakfast sandwich to start a really fun-filled day. Just hanging out in our backyard paradise.